Hello again, my fellow battle brawlers. I am back with my last bakugan unboxing of the night. I will be unboxing some more stuff maybe tomorrow because I still have some stuff from back a couple months ago I haven't even unboxed yet. But I'm going to get into this bad boy right here. Diamond Titanium Dragonoid. Right on. So, we're going to get into him. Excuse me, guys. Alright, so put his packaging in his back. Anyways, it's all put away. I'm gonna get Dragonoid close so that I can get them all put away. Into ball form. Oh, excuse me. Alright, so he's closed up. This is what he looks like in ball form. Now I'm getting the cards. Alright, so we got this card right here. Sorry guys, it's kind of hard to... There you go. Then we got Diamond Titanium Dragonoid. This is awesome. That's really awesome. Take a look at this, you guys. I'm going to show you guys both of them now. I have Diamond and regular Titanium Dragonoids now. Alright. I'm going to get into the Bakugan himself. So, we're going to turn this card this way. 3, 2, 1, Bakugan, stand! Diamond Titanium Dragonoid. Alright, I'm going to open up his feet. It's cool is they can actually mix their parts up too. Like you can take Nilius and put Nilius with the Dragonoid and Dragonoid with the Nilius, but it's kind of interesting because it's like you don't expect it to do that. And yeah, I can do that. But yeah, this is Titanium Dragonoid Diamond. This looks really freaking awesome. I am so happy to have this in the collection. I am glad to have the new Dragonoid of the new series. I had to open up his foot all the way because his foot wasn't all the way open. But yeah, there we go. I like what they did with the gold on his face. Yeah, it looks really good. Anyways, you guys, that'll be it for now. Comment, like, subscribe, and Bakugan Brawl. I'm up out of here for now. Peace.